My wish is actually for Sakop because they accepted me as a scholar when I was in college. That's why my simple wish is to give back to them. Nag-stop kasi ako ng between first year and second year because of financial difficulties. Sakop is the one who's paying our tuition fees. So parang mas naging magaan talaga siya when I was studying kasi wala talaga kami binabayaran.
So nung nalaman ko na si Sir Gilbert ay yung puso niya ay para pa rin sa mga scholars dahil naranasan niya ang pagiging scholar din. Tumaba yung puso ko.
I think I'm just a instrument or bridge between Cloudstaff and Sakop. I think the impact is wala sa akin, kundi sa taong makaka-receive ng mga gifts natin.
Yung mga parents ko po, hindi po sila nakapagtapos ng pag-aaral. Kaya po ngayon, nakikita ko po kung gaano po sila nahihirapan upang ibigay po yung mga pangangailangan po namin. Kaya po, nagsusumikap po ako na makapag-aral at makapagtapos para po matulungan ko po sila na mahahon po yung buhay namin sa kahirapan po.
Isa sa pinakamalaking challenge, kung minsan kahit na gaano kaganda ang adhikain, even if we have noble plans, noble dreams, but if we do not have the resources to support it, then it will become meaningless. That is one of the challenges of non-government organizations or non-profit organizations.
Sobrang grateful po namin sa kanila. Kaya sana po tuloy-tuloy lang po yung pagtulong nila sa mga katulad po naming estudyante.
We're doing something worthwhile, and I hope that it would continue. And for the Cloudstaff community, the Cloudstaff family, thank you very much for giving us this opportunity to work together. What you have done may just be a small gestures on your part, but for a lot of poor people, especially the young children, this would have a very big impact on their lives. So thank you very much.
To Cloudstaff, thank you so much for granting my wish, and you really don't know what I feel right now kasi sobrang saya ko. Nakapag-give back ako sa Sakop.
Contributions, no matter how small, but done with great love, will make a difference.